guys, it's Nicole, also known as Nikki Vegan, and welcome to part 2 of my week-long back-to-school lunch series. Every day this week, I'm doing a brand new all-vegan lunch idea that you can bring in your lunchbox to school or work. I hope that it gives you lots of good ideas, and without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start by slicing some bell pepper. You can use any veggies you like for this, so you could do yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, cucumber, zucchini. You could even do apples, which I know is a vegetable, but that would work really well. What you want are some thin strips like this, and we're going to use this to create our roll-ups. So I'm just going to take some vegan turkey. This is the oven roasted vegan turkey from Whole Foods, and some vegan cheese. I like using the Follow Your Heart provolone for this. Also, the chow slices are really nice here. And what I'll do is I'll just kind of break them in half, and then I will roll the vegan turkey and cheese around the slices of bell pepper to create some nice roll-ups. You can use some toothpicks to hold these together if you like. And then I'm going to add the leftover bell peppers to the lunchbox, because what we're doing here is creating kind of a snack box, so we have lots of things to kind of dip and snack on and lots of color and variety, because I find that that's really satisfying and it makes eating your veggies a little bit more fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to also add some baby carrots and some snap peas, which if you ask me are the most underrated veggie on a veggie platter ever. I feel like people always forget about them, but they are so sweet and crunchy and satisfying and delicious. Definitely my favorite. So add those as well. Then I'm going to take some garlic hummus, and I'm going to use this as a dip for the veggies and also to create some little sandwiches later on, which you will see. But I also like having more dip options, so I'm going to create a vegan cream cheese that is kind of like a dill and caper cream cheese. Now this is something you can definitely do the night before or even on the weekend before your week starts, so that you have it in the fridge throughout the week. But all you're going to need is some vegan cream cheese, a bit of dried dill, some black pepper, and some chopped capers. This combination is so delicious. But if you don't feel like making your own flavored cream cheese, I know that brands like Kite Hill has a really great jalapeno one, or there's also an everything bagel one, or you could use the Trader Joe's everything bagel spice to make your own flavored cream cheese. So there's lots of different options here, but I find that this adds a ton of flavor and it works really well with sandwiches and snack boxes like this. When I was going to school, I always had some sort of juice box in my lunchbox, and I spent way too much money on water bottles at vending machines throughout the day. So I think a way more cost-effective and also eco-friendly option is to make your own flavored water just by filling up a thermos with lots of ice, some fresh lime slices, and berries. You can definitely do frozen berries here, and just put this in your lunchbox instead. It's still really flavorful and refreshing, and like I said, way cheaper. I know you guys are probably curious about the lunch boxes that I'm using, and you're gonna see different ones throughout the week because I'm just showing you what I actually have and what I use. And these are really cool. I actually found them on the Health Nut shop, which I'll link down below, but they are by a brand called Yummy Bear, with like an I for the yummy. And then there's like a smiley face in the A, not important. But this is a really lightweight BPA free lunchbox that I really like. Not only because it's lightweight, which is very different than some of my other Tupperware containers, which are glass, and I noticed when I pack my lunch for work, those can be really heavy carrying those around, especially if you have more than one, like I usually do. So these are some of the ones I use. I have a couple others that I'm gonna show you later on in the week that I use if I'm gonna actually be heating something up, because I don't heat stuff up in this. I just put like sandwiches and, you know, the kinds of things that you saw in Monday and Tuesday's video. So I love these. I've been using them for a couple weeks now, and I think they're really cool. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you guys have favorite Tupperwares, favorite lunch boxes, or any kind of meal prepping, lunch packing hacks that I need to know about. Leave that in the comments below. I would love to read about it. And as always, if you're not subscribed to this channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It looks like this, and that way you will not miss an episode. Tomorrow there's going to be a brand new video of my back to school lunch series, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys then. Bye!